Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Pollinator gardens are very popular nowadays. I certainly enjoy plants that feed pollinators. It's valuable for pollinator survival, but it also brings me great joy in the garden to see all these little creatures darting around. It's akin to feeding the birds. You wouldn't see them half as much if you weren't feeding them. And to attract pollinators to the garden, we plant a wide range of flowering plants with simple, unimproved flowers. But we often don't think of big desert plants like this Dasylirion. And it's a gray, chilly day. We had 2 days of summer, now we're back to winter, probably not even 70 degrees. But you can see it's just incredible number of honeybees visiting this plant. Now, people often think that you have to plant native plants for pollinators, and that's not true. They eat the pollen and nectar from any plant that offers them. But this is a situation where this Dasylirion, which is native to the Southwest US and Mexico, is feeding pollinators that are not native. Honeybees are not native to the Americas. They're native to the old world, to Europe and Asia and points in between. Anyhow, it's an incredible pollinator plant, and it's something you could plant in a dry, sunny spot where maybe you have trouble growing other things, but the Dasylirion would be a beautiful architectural plant year-round, forever, and then most years you would get these blooms. Now, Dasylirions are dioecious, meaning they're either male or female. This must be a male. That looks like a whole lot of pollen on it. It's a shame we don't have a female of the same species nearby, so the honeybees could transfer this pollen to them. But anyhow, Dasylirions, close relative of yuccas and agaves, another source of alcoholic beverages. The common name for Dasylirions is Sotol, S-O-T-O-L, as is the alcohol made from the trunks of the plant, much in the way that mezcal is made from agaves. Wants a sunny location, good drainage. Doesn't have to have sharp drainage, just as long as the soil doesn't stay soggy. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.